Hi guys, so this was going to be really weird. It's a weird one. It's a tutorial. It's this tutorial that I'm wearing right now. My head wrap is from Sweet King Jazzy Baptiste on Instagram, and everything else is in the video. I use my Sasha Cosmetics leading lady on the Sasha Cosmetics Jamaica leading lady on the lips, and I use their blush Amber Glow. I'm using both my Jackie Aina. I'm using both La Bronze as well as La Peach. I'm wearing my Fashionista lashes. These lashes are old because we've been run out of Fashionista, honey, but that new is coming, honey. Yeah, so I discussed a lot in this video, so I will not have this intro going any longer. Please don't forget to subscribe if you have not yet subscribed to my channel. I'm pushing for my channel to get to 250 by my birthday, December 3rd. Also, if you are already subscribed, please click the notification bell. I know we've been saying this for months, or probably feels like years, but this, I hear that there's this new thing now with YouTube where if the notification bell is not clicked, then you will not see my video, which is bull. That's stupid. That's absolutely stupid. Alright, so I'll talk to you guys in the next one, and please enjoy this tutorial talk through Chatty. So okay, bye guys.
Came to let the people know. Whole team about to go. It's only one way to go. And we go the whole now. 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 We go the whole now.
Alright guys, so I'm finally in my natural habitat. I am at home. I'm not doing it in a car, which was my last. I don't know if that's when it's my last video. I don't know where this video is going to fall. I am trying to film as much as I can for before I leave for classes. So I'm trying to pump these videos out, and yes, I am not wearing any nails, and the reason for that is I did them short just to keep them before I do my nails to go in, and then I don't know, I just hate short nails, so I started taking them off. So yeah, so this video will not be a get ready with me video. I already did a Chatty get ready with me video, but you know what I can do? I can probably do like a Q&A type video, or like starting your own fitness business. I could probably do something like that. Let me know if that's something that you'd want me to do. You know what, don't let me know nothing. I am actually going to be doing that on my vlog channel. My vlog channel is doing so good right now. I'm actually focusing a lot on content for my vlog channel, and it's just been going really good, and I couldn't be more proud. That's for damn sure. Alright, so for my brows, I'm going to be using my Face by Shanna brow pomade, and it's in the color dark brown. Oh, you know what I'm going to make this video be? I'm going to just put this video up into 2 or 3 parts where I'm focusing on different skill levels. So focusing on the cut crease, focusing on focusing on blending your foundation, focusing on contouring. So that's what I'm going to do for this video. So this video is going to be brow focused. I have and it's like I want to, but I don't want to, because I have so much brow videos on my YouTube channel. It's darn near sinful. I have too much. I think that's because I'm watching Chris Gethin. If you don't know who Chris Gethin is, I feel so sorry for you. I'm blushing. I love Chris Gethin. Oh, his drive. I mean, his drive is unmatched. It's phenomenal. He encourages me so much. Alright, so I'm not wearing any primer, and that's because this makeup look will not be on me for the rest of the day. I think I'm going to film again tomorrow because tomorrow we are shipping Pomi Fitness again. We ship internationally and also via Knutsford Express every Monday and every Thursday. So today's Wednesday as I'm doing this. Today is the 9th of May. I want to see if I can upload a video 3 times a week on this channel and then like 2 times a week on my vlog channel because I use my phone to vlog. So like filming, I mean it's easier, but then I don't have the use of my phone when I'm filming, obviously, and I don't have the use of my phone when I'm editing, obviously, and I don't have the use of my phone when I'm uploading, obviously. So I want to do that. I want to film it, like upload those times. So I'll be filming through but uploading. Like now I'm loading up videos for when I'm away, and I can also film over there as well, but because I'll be so focused on the classes. What's probably going to happen is that my vlogs will probably soar while I'm over there, because I'll be documenting while I'm there. This is LA Pro Conceal in Cool Tan, so I'll be documenting while I'm over there. Let me know if you want me to do a pack with me video, like see what I'm taking with me. Not clothes wise, because I'm a little bit self-conscious about the clothes I have. I have a lot of repeat clothes. I don't know if I feel like sometimes when I talk it's, I don't know, it comes off as me complaining or like oversharing, but when there's like a camera in front of you that you know people are going to watch, so I'm essentially speaking to people, it's just easy to say whatever comes to your mind, because it's like you're here alone, you know, filming. And most people who are watch, they don't like to film when other people are in the room, and I get it. It just feels weird. Yeah, so I can do my travel makeup. I can do a travel makeup video. I can do that, so let me know if you want me to do that, and I can do that on this channel, obviously. I feel so like this can come off as being cocky, but like basic without any nails on. It's so weird to not have nails on in a video, because normally I don't like to film without my nails, but because I know I have to get these videos out and I won't be able to do my nails until a week from now. Today's Wednesday. Won't be able to do my nails until Thursday. I'm leaving on the weekend, so that's the time that I have available. That's the time that I book. Oh my god, I did not book my eyelash session. Oh my god, because I want to get my lashes done as well, and I want to vlog that. Nails done, want to vlog that. Hair done. So it's going to be like a prep with me for Florida. I don't know if you guys want, or prep with me for travel. I don't know. I really love traveling, you guys. I love it. So because of that, like I want to document it. But if it's not something that you'd be interested in, then you don't. Like, I mean, I guess you're not interested. But or you want me to take the 4? Alright, then yeah, I can take the 12, please. What's the cost again? So the girl who does my lash is called Talia the Lash Slayer, and I got introduced to her through my friend Kadisia, right? You guys know Kadisia. I've done Kadisia's makeup on here before. You know, she's been on my Instagrams before. Has she ever? Yes, she's been in my vlogs before. So she's the one who introduced me to her, and I always go to her for my lashes. I know there are like other people who does lash extensions here in Jamaica, but she's who I go to. It's quite, let me tell you, like service out here in Jamaica is hella cheap. Let me explain. When you go abroad, like to braid your hair, to do your hair, to get it braided or whatever, it's like between 150 and like $300 depending on what you want. Now out here in Jamaica, that 150 comes up to $18,000 just to braid your hair. Nobody in Jamaica is going to pay 18 grand to do their hair. That shit's just too expensive. It's too expensive. makeup services. Abroad, for a bride, I've heard stories of bridal makeup costing upwards $15,000. And you might say, oh my God, how come? I mean, I would never pay that. And that's all well and good, boo, but remember, you can't afford to pay that. Like, boo, ain't nobody calling, like, boo, who you calling to get them $1,500 to do your makeup? So in Jamaica, that's probably close to 200,000 Jamaican dollars, right? Like, that's a lot of money. Nobody's doing that shit out here. Absolutely nobody. Even my prices, I know my prices are expensive, but I value myself. Oh, look at me talking. Okay, so hold on, I'll shake on. I value myself and I value my craft. I've spent thousands of dollars to be where I am now as an educator in the makeup industry. I have been trained by the best. I have both and world renowned, both locally and internationally. You know, I've been trained, and apart from that, I've had my own personal experiences with clients. And I know that sounds a little bit weird, but you learn, you know. Even when I told you guys, when I just left the face place because I got trained, and for a while I didn't want to tell you guys where I got trained from, because I've always spoken shit about them, but you can't despise where you're coming from, you know. So I've always spoken shit about the face place, and I'm so sorry for always doing that. I just never appreciated it. And having like years down the line, I'm like, oh my gosh, I learned nothing at school. But everything in your life is for a reason, and for like the process is necessary for whatever stage it is in your life, whether it be a relationship, school, whatever it is. And a lot of times as well, we live just to get by. Like, oh, I just want to make it through today. Oh my God, I just want to make it past school. Oh my God, I just need to get these exams out the way so that I can do what I want to do. And it's kind of sad, because it becomes you. Because initially, you know, remember, whenever you're going for a job, right, you are geeked. Boo, you go shopping, you borrow some money, or you spend a lot to go buy the nice office clothes. This is what is his name again? Sasha Buttercup pressed powder. You're gonna spend your money. You invest in that interview. Once you have that job, give you a couple months down the line, and you become so disrespectful to the same people who gave you the job. You start coming in late because other people coming in late. It's like you start doing, you just become ungrateful, is what I'm going to say. And I don't know if this is a Jamaican proverb or if it's just worldwide, but there's a saying that goes, familiarity breeds contempt, right? The more used to you are to something or someone, the more you take them for granted. And that's something that you have to be careful with, because that goes for your dreams and your talents as well. Because look at me, I've been singing for years. It's something that's second nature to me. I can carry a tune, and you know, it's easy for me to, whenever I hear certain music, to just write, because this is Mocha Perfect Bronze, and this is their Pro Powder. Oh my God, you guys, I can't wait for Florida classes. Like, all these stuff are going to be nice and sexily laid out. Anyway, so you get used to it, right? And it's difficult to constantly show appreciation. It truly is. And it's not like you don't appreciate the person, the gift, the job. It's just work. Whatever it is that you're doing in this life, it takes work. And we give up so easily. I know why we give up easily too, because of our pride. Because we don't want anybody to say, oh, she failed, or we don't want the naysayers, because you don't have to be on social media to have haters or naysayers. You don't. All you have to do is just be successful. Like, boo, be successful. And I'm not saying rich, wealthy, popular. Notice my word, successful. Successful is not hinged on wealth or riches or popularity. It's not. You can be successful in your hometown. You can be successful in your job. You can be successful. And as long as there is success, there is going to come people who don't like what it is that you have achieved. And a lot of times it comes from their own shortcomings, you know. Oh, this is Perfect Spice from Sasha as well. It comes from their own shortcomings, but they'll never admit it because that's not how they see it. I have been called so many names under the sun. There's just one girl who used to always comment back in the day that I was fat, and I wasn't fat. I mean, I was something, no, but I wasn't fat back then. No, because of my body goals. I don't want to be slim, you know, anymore. I don't want to lose weight anymore. I want to build muscle. I want to look thick. I want that big ass and wide ass hips, thick thighs, small waist, broad shoulders, toned arms. Yes, baby. Hamstrings up to the heavens. Like, that's what I want now. You know what I mean? And it's being met. This is just a setting powder from Sasha Cosmetics. It's white. And when people see me, they go, oh my God, you've gained weight. And the truth is, it will always hurt. And it's just a lesson that I'm being taught. That whenever you've made a change, or whenever, and it's so weird. It's like, now that I'm happy with where I am, I'm actually eating. And you guys, I don't know if you guys know, but I was afraid to eat. I was afraid of foods. I had a really, really unhealthy relationship with foods. No, I'm actually eating and, you know, getting some food in my system and just understanding how my body works. And it becomes, oh, you're getting fat. It's just, it's frustrating. I know I'm not doing it for anybody else but me, but people see me too, you know. So yeah, you become complacent. You get the job that you've worked so hard for, and no, you can't even stand the job. You leave work at 6, at 5:45 you're packing up, 5:30 you're packing up, you go in a bathroom, go and titivate because, you know, 6 o'clock soon come. That's what it's just sad that we don't appreciate anymore, you know. We don't appreciate people. We don't appreciate people's progress, people's hurdles. We don't. Because for every, and remember, you know, there's always more that's for you than those that are against you. Whether you're a Christian or not, there are always people, more people are rooting for you than people who want to see you fail. But I don't know what it is with human nature. We always want, like, we always focus on the negative. You know, it's in the Bible. Hold on, let me find this bubble. But the one that I'm looking for, I can't find it. But the Bible does say that hope deferred makes the heart sick, and I think that's in Proverbs. Hope deferred makes, this is Amber Glow from Sasha Cosmetics as well. It's actually a blush, but I love it as an eyeshadow. Yeah, the Bible says hope deferred makes the heart sick. We think negatively first. We go there first. I'm not sure why. I'm not sure. Very few people think positively first. Very few people think positively first. And I'm saying positively first. I'm talking the first thing that comes to your head is positivity instead of negativity. That's rare. Okay, this is called matte number 2, and this is the palette. Sasha Cosmetics as well. And I'll just be taking the, let's go in with, I've been using purple a lot lately, uncertain as to why. So let's go in with this deep color right here, this one. I'm using a lot of purples lately. This is my MAC 224 brush. Oh my god, you guys, my brushes are, the samples are coming in for the new brushes. If you guys follow me on, well, not follow me, but follow Pull Me by Lyric on Instagram, you'd have already seen them. I cannot wait. No, the brushes only have one, the brushes only have logo on one, because remember, this is the sample set, so I'll be going through them. I'll be working with them for a month or so to see how they go. So I'll be working with a month or so with them, see if I like them, you know, see how it goes. But I know I'ma love them, boo-boo. So I'm gonna take this one right here, this black color right here. This was more of a navy blue. This is like a charcoal black. It's not really black. Unlike a charcoal black. Oh my goodness, you guys, for those of you who have supported missions St. Thomas already, thank you very much. If you don't know what I'm talking about, I will just leave the link to the GoFundMe account, not to the video. I'll just leave the link to the GoFundMe account. So let me just tell you what it is right here. I do missions, and in the video I was very nervous explaining myself. Yeah, I go on missions yearly. We didn't have it for a couple of years, I think 2 years we didn't have it, but we normally have missions out here in Jamaica, in Ochi, I believe, at Bonham Springs, right? So that's something that we normally do, but this time we won't be in Jamaica. This is my Sasha matte caramel. This is my Sasha adhesive, my eye adhesive. My adhesive is just a white. Yeah, so I made a video on it. We'll be going to St. Thomas, and we'll be helping with the hurricane relief over there in St. Thomas. Now, I was nervous making that video because I didn't want it to come off as me begging, but me just pleading with you guys for a worthy cause. The last time I looked, we were at 200 and something, June, July. I believe the last time I looked, we're at 200 and something. Missions is I believe it's in July. I really hope it's in July and not June, because June is next month. If the amount of views that I get, if you get on this video, if each of you would give $5, then I have no doubt that we will reach the mark. Mark, and I'm heavy thinking about it as well. Somebody made a comment, say that one of my classes can pay for the trip, and I was like, boo, one of my companies already gave, so how may I help you? You know, and I knew I would have been met with that. I knew, and people, and it's just so weird because it's for charity. You are giving, you understand, as in you see the proof there. You are literally giving to a cause, and people still find the time to talk shit. It baffles me. It baffles me. It's like you can do no good. I'm using Beauty Bakery. It's like you can do no good in this world. It is discouraging because it's the same thing that I didn't want to happen. I didn't want it to come off as me begging or whatever, or I don't know, like asking you guys some money. But hey, I was as transparent as I could be in the video, and a couple of you have given already, and I am completely grateful, and they are completely grateful. But I am grateful because you guys are like my followers, you know, and it's just, what can I do to help? People use the audience for different reasons, you know. Whenever I promote a wig or whatever, you guys would write me, oh, Lyric, that wig, that hair that you review, you know, how much is it or whatever, or thank God, you know, I really needed that deal because my birthday is coming up and stuff. And these people, they're having their birthdays in like broken down homes. They're having their wedding anniversaries in broken down places, you know. And I guess like the huge point is they have life. That's all they have to be grateful for, that they have life. And as I said when in the video, like when a tragedy like that hits, the thought is I better me did dead and done, because it makes no sense living like this. So if I had died, I would have been better off. Just like Job in the Bible. If me did dead, he said, better kill me and dead. But him wife, he said, better curse God and dead, because this don't make no sense at all. Alright guys, welcome to the voiceover. And what is new? I have no voice. You know, when I don't have a voice, it means that I did a lot of singing the night before. So the black eyeliner that I just used is actually my LA Pro Primer in black. And now I'm going back in with my Sasha palette, and I'm taking that purple. I love how nude looks with purple lash line. I think, excuse me, like a neutral look with a purple lash line works really well. So I'm taking my Le Peach from Artist Couture X Jackie Aina, and I'm actually putting this on my happy area prior to this. The same white that I use from Sasha Cosmetics, the adhesive, the white that used to do the cut crease, I put it right there where my happy area is, and then I put the
glow, the glow powder over it. So I'm using that same glow powder from Jackie La Peach, using La Peach still. Then I'm going in with Amber Glow from Sasha Cosmetics as well, and this is going to be my blush. Now I've used this for blush, I've used this for eyeshadow. I haven't tried it for lipstick though. I'm gonna try it for lipstick and let you guys know how I feel about it. But I love these type of blushes. I love orange blushes. So for my lipstick, I'm actually wearing Sasha Cosmetics Leading Lady, and this is the final look. Thank you so much, you guys, for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.
Way up in the clouds like I'm on one. Way up in the clouds like I'm on. Way up in the clouds like I'm on one. Way up in the clouds like I'm on. Woke up from sleep and I'm tired. No way I wanna get up, I'm leaving my ass. Like a safe, then I think of my dreams and I'm